In our last class we discussed about effects of natural disaster on life and property. And today our topic is attitude to victims of natural disaster. We should remember that natural disasters are caused by the forces of nature, and those who survive them go through a lot of shock and trauma. We should do all we can to assist them. Ways of assisting people affected by disaster. Some of the things we could do to assist them are donation of money, provision of water, provision of clothing, provision of shelter, rescue operation, prayers, first aid. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.